Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to show you that we have a Shopify ready store you can buy from us. This is the main topics. So why you buy Shopify store from us in reliable price? Because our Shopify store is fully functional and it's ready to receive payment. If you visit our website, I'm clicking here and this is our Shopify store, and if you view any product and you can add this product to your cart, then check out, and you can see here people can buy this product with their credit card. Okay, this store is fully functional and ready to sell. If you need the Shopify store, you can contact with us. If you go to the settings and you can click on the payment, you can see here accepting payment is okay and receiving payout is also okay. You can see this green icon, and that means our account is fully functional. This Shopify store is fully functional and ready to receive payout. Okay, our bank account has been added in this Shopify store. When you buy Shopify store from us, you can change this payout bank account from your site, or you can replace this bank account with your bank accounts. Okay, also if you need the Wise business account, then you can contact with us. We sell Wise business account in reliable price also. So our main topics is, if you need a ready Shopify store, then you can contact with us. We sell only Shopify store in reliable price. We will give you the full account access, I mean the Shopify email and password. So hope this video is useful for you. If you are interested on Shopify and also you are interested to receive payment from your clients with their cards and Google Pay or Apple Pay, then Shopify ready store will be ideal choice for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.